Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making potato sandwiches. These are really full of flavor with some tanginess and spiciness. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, you will need 8 slices of bread. This recipe makes a total of 4 sandwiches, 2 medium potatoes that are boiled and peeled, 1 small onion that is finely chopped, 1 small tomato that is finely chopped, 1 green chili that is finely chopped, the juice of half a lemon, some salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, some chopped and washed cilantro, and some butter. You will put the boiled potatoes in a large bowl and mash them. Once the potatoes are mashed, you will add in the onions, the tomatoes and green chilies, the lemon juice, the dry spices, some salt, and the cilantro. You will give all of this a good mix. You can give this mixture a taste to see if you need to add any salt, spices or lemon juice. You will take a bread slice and put the potato mixture on one side of it. Then you will spread it evenly. You want to put a generous amount of the mixture on top of the bread. You will repeat the same steps for 3 more slices of bread. You will take a pan and put it between low and medium heat. Then you will add on some butter. You will wait for the butter to melt. Once the butter has melted, you will put on the slice that has the mixture on it. You will take a slice of bread and spread some butter on it. You will put the buttered slice on top of the sandwich. You will cook the sandwich for around 2 to 3 minutes on the same heat, or until the bottom of the sandwich is slightly brown. Once the bottom of the sandwich is cooked, you can flip the sandwich and let it cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Once the sandwich is cooked, you can take it out of the pan and put it onto a plate. And you can repeat the same steps for making the other sandwiches. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video.